The world looks very perfect from afar.
It's true. Like it's already proven. The same blood prone to suicide runs in my children.
Jesus! Informa! See, Nekwakam, I can't do what I'm I just don't pay.
Madam, your husband's suicide is a genetic thing. Suicidal fear runs in their family.
How dare you make such insinuation? How dare you? You're pregnant.
Chief Robinson is not your husband's biological father.
Because of it. Doctor.
I don't think there's wisdom weeping for the dead. You know what? They might be in a better state.
You know what, Freddy? For a moment there, I was actually tempted to think that you were also adopted.
Perfect is not the absence of challenges, but your ability to maintain your balance no matter what.
I don't discover my talent.
Glory be to God.
That's very interesting. Interesting.
So, what's the talent all about?
I'm Robbie. Sir, I'd like to apply you with a tourist in love from the psychology of romance. The angels really come and love it and birth.
To my daughter! I think they worry you. See, I need to follow poor people.
Who let that doors how? Who let that doors how? Who let that doors how? Bingo. Sabi rapper.
See. I get important place to go. You know, be say my brother come out, let's switch paying by 12 million. I'm going to waste time. He even supposed to go without invention or by 9 million. If not be say I can't tell her say make it.
Shut up.
Do you want for
I've told them now. I've told them that when my father is finally dead, I can fight. So I'm good brother, I make you the cry baby. I'm shaking. Idiot! Which other person when you face be like thief for this year that they ask you? Get out!
barbaric imp with a vascular head.
Animal!
I told you my love knows no better. And I surely come when you least expect it.
Because now you be not baby.
Oh my God!
Yes. Yes. And I'm Bro Joshua.
To see the old man.
What is it? It's very important. Take it easy. Just take it easy, huh? Take it easy.
No problem, Mama.
daughters. The family you are looking for is from this village. But there is no one there.
Ah, Papa. What happened? So what does it mean by no one is there?
So many years ago, now we are most friendly brother and sister in the history of the Umbekelong village. They were seen everywhere in the village.
Let's go. Oh, Mameka, what is it again?
Mama, how are you?
Ikenga, what is it?
Choma, you know that I love you.
You love who?
I love you, Choma.
You love me?
Yes.
You love me? Why?
Stop shouting now.
Ikenga! Ikenga! Go and love your mother! What is wrong with you, sir? Eh? Ikenga, I said go and love your mother!
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me? See, Ikenga!
Will you marry your sister?
You asking me if I'll marry my sister?
Yes.
So the next time I will see you close to my sister, what I will do to you? What I will do to you?
Listen, just because of the love I have to your sister, I'll see what I do to yours.
Ikenga! Wait, don't worry. You see what I'll do to you now? Ikenga, you're the fighting. Ikenga! What I will do to you, Ikenga? If I see you close to my sister again, what I will do to you, you will not like it.
Look at how you are misbehaving just because of the love I have to your sister.
Yes, I am misbehaving because I don't want people like you to come close to my sister. Come now. Idiot.
But in some
political elders. Their closeness gradually became a source of cancer. Before one of the elders could muster courage and time to confront them. Eleka committed incest with his sister Jonah. First of its kind in the history of our life.
You scared me.
Sorry. I want to show you something inside.
Something?
Yes.
What is that?
It's inside.
Inside?
Yes.
Okay, let me finish sweeping. I'm coming.
No, Shoma. No. You sweep later.
I'm coming. I will join you shortly. I'm coming.
Shoma, you sweep later, please.
Let me finish sweeping first. I'm coming.
Shoma, leave it. You sweep later.
The day does not give way for the night in broad daylight ordinarily. Is either there is an abnormal act in the land or there is an eclipse of the sun. Does an indigent take the title of Omokachi? Mbano. But what could this be? Smoke without fire. Sacrilege. I smell it. It is a sacrilege. A sacrilege. A sacrilege.
Those are my land. Why? 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 Why?
I see one lady goes like a message. I'm going to go to the room where I yourself. Now, can I eat anything there? You can. I'm going to go to the room. This is going to be one hour. Okay, I didn't walk out. Macaco, I didn't walk.
Is it more? 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 Aruo, abomination.
Young lady, I beseech you to speak.
Is it more? Akuchalu no mue.
That is an abomination. The sound that the players of Surugede do not make the masquerade to give a footstep to the Surugede rhythm. But because of his acknowledgement that Surugede is the dance of the spirit. Young lady, it is truly nice to let the blind know identity of the deceased as you move for the living. Show me the way.
Okay, Zemo.
One month later, Emeka came back and saw his sister very sick, with her friend helping her.
You still like this? What kind of sickness is this? For days now, your health has not even improved.
I don't know what to do. I don't know.
I greet you. Nkoto, you're welcome.
I have something in mind. I come to tell you.
Ikorodo is a merciful God of our land. He pays attention to his posterities. Speak.
I'm in love with Choma, and I want to marry her.
That's an abomination. There shall be no marriage contracted to that family until the land is being cleansed. You got to leave.
Is there nothing can be done?
Nkoto.
You don't want to remain in this sickness. Please. Open your mouth. Please, don't refuse it. Don't refuse it, please. No, please. Chioma, when did you see your menstruation last?
Menstruation?
Yes, your menstruation.
Menstruation?
Yes. Let me check.
That was a day before the last masquerade show.
A day before the last masquerade show. A day before the last masquerade show.
Yes.
Chioma, you're pregnant.
The gods forbid. Adeze, how can I be pregnant just like that? Adeze, have you ever seen me with anybody in this village? I'm not pregnant.
It's either you have been seeing someone secretly or
what? Adeze, I'm not pregnant. Adeze, I'm not pregnant.
Don't trust you and this your brother.
Adeze,
Hey!
Adeze, I'm not pregnant.
I don't trust you and your brother.
Adeze. Adeze. Adeze, I'm not pregnant.
Adeze.
No. 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 No.
What?
No. No.
Who offended you? I'll kill that person in this village.
Shishi.
Talk to me, please. What happened?
No.
I'm sorry. What happened?
Blood touched blood. Nothing can be done. Nothing. I must marry her. Ngota say you should leave.
I'm pregnant. I'm pregnant. No. No. No.
Why?
Why?
No. Why? 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 Why?
No.
Is it true, Emeka?
What is true?
That your sister Chioma is pregnant and you, Emeka, is responsible for the pregnancy. You're not saying anything. I will take your silence for a yes. Aro! Sophia! Sophia! Oh! So Emeka is true. No wonder you said you could kill for her sake. Abomination! Abomination, Emeka! Emeka! Upon all the maidens in this village. Upon all the maidens in this village. Emeka, it is your sister you sought to sleep with. And you're pregnant, Emeka. Emeka, you're a total disgrace. Emeka, you're a disgrace to me, your friend. You're a disgrace to the entire village. Emeka, you are a disgrace to manhood. Hey! Aro! Tough here. Yeah. I'm out of here.
You bought beats. Ah. Hey. Me, I bought rappers. If you see the beats I bought, they are just too fine.
My rappers, in fact, I will wear it and parade around the village square.
What? Why are you dropping the wood?
It's Mama. Have you heard?
Wait. Do you know?
Of course I know now.
What do you know?
That Emeka impregnated his sister Chioma.
Finish. He's no longer a news in the village again. From all the beautiful dancers in this village, Emeka did not see anyone to impregnate, if not his sister Chioma.
Imagine me, Naifoma. Am I not beautiful?
You are. Ah, you are. You're very beautiful. Look at me. Shut up! Chioma is beautiful. All you people know in this village are to gossip.
Even the Emeka is blind. Can't you see me?
Yeah, look at me, you're beautiful. Look at me now. Am I not beautiful?
No wonder. Every time you will see them in the bush.
Even in the stream.
Even on the road. Ugo when Emeka na Chioma na epial. Pium, pium, pium.
Mia, mia, mia.
Aro. Sophia. Hey, let us go. Hey. Come and help me now.
Hey, sorry. If I get my beats, all the boys in this village.
You are talking about beats. When
boys in this village.
When my fine rapper is there waiting for me.
You think my own is not heavy? Do you know the branch? This is the branch of that tree that we saw. Let's go.
Let us go.
Emeka couldn't sleep. He couldn't bear it anymore. The shame.
Emeka. 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 No. No. Emeka. Emeka. No. 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 Emeka, please don't do this to me. Emeka, no. Emeka, no. No. Somebody help me. Somebody help. Somebody help. Somebody help.
Hey.
Somebody help.
Choma.
Choma.
Hey.
Choma. Hey.
Oh my God. Choma.
Hey. Somebody help.
Choma.
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 Hey, whoa.